That's right, Bob. Currently, critics are saying credit trackers aren't doing enough to assess mistakes on credit reports, which could ultimately lead to poor credit scores. But an announcement today is a big win for the consumer. Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, the biggest names in credit scores, have agreed to new guidelines under a settlement with the New York State Attorney General, Eric Schneiderman. After the agreement, Schneiderman said, quote, "The pact is a good sign that the reporting agencies are finally willing to step up their game and respond to the needs of hardworking consumers and their families. Currently, there is little human-led investigation into credit disputes. In fact, it happens mostly electronically and automatically, relying on computers to match up information rather than the human eye."
The credit reporting agency really doesn't do anything, in terms of their own investigation, even though you might have submitted legitimate documentation to show you're right.
Now, the big three agencies will be required to use trained employees to assist in debt disputes.
What this should do is, if something isn't correct, it should make it a lot easier to actually fix the problem.
Credit scores are used to determine if someone can get a mortgage, rent an apartment, receive a credit card, and in some cases, land a job.
It will be a big help. If you've got documentation showing that it shouldn't be the way it is, somebody's going to follow through with it.
The agreement also puts a 6-month grace period on reporting medical debt. And if that debt is settled, it will be removed from your record. But concurrently and prior, it could have stayed on your record for up to 7 years. In the newsroom, Adam Waltz, Fox 26, KNPN.